Hi friends, welcome to the Ratan. Guys, we're discussing HTML tutorial, right? Yeah. And today class in the HTML, we'll go for the paragraph tag and text formatting, guys. So in HTML, we're going for what the concept name? Paragraph tag, paragraph and what? Text formatting. Text formatting, right? Exactly. Because paragraph means we have the tag like p tag, right? So paragraph means what? P opening is there, p closing is there. This is the paragraph tag, right? Yeah. Yes, but last class what we discussed, tell me. The last class we discussed structure of the HTML file, right? Tell me guys, so the HTML file contains first one is what? So doc type is there. What is the doc type representing? Tell me. Yes, please respond. What is the doc type representing? Doc type is representing the version of the HTML file, and whatever the content you written inside the HTML tag, this is called what is this? This is called what? Web page. So whatever the data we written inside the HTML tag, that is called web page. And this HTML mainly consists of two things here. One is the head part is the right. What is head contains? Tell me. Head means what? Head means visible in the data content, visible in the visibility, visible the data, or just metadata information, which is like simply metadata information, right? This is metadata information, guys. Good. And we have the next tag is what? Body tag. Body tag means what? The body tag means the data visible in the page, right? The data visible in the page. So data, tell me guys, visible in page. Guys, here the 3 points you should remember, 4 points total. One is the doc type is representing the version. The code you written inside the HTML opening and HTML closing. This is the root tag. This is called web page. The web page contains the header. Head is giving just metadata information. Head is not header data is not visible in the page. Just this is the metadata information. So whatever the data written in the body tag, that data visible in the web page, right? Data visible in what? Web page, right? Exactly. Because today class we're going for the paragraph and the text formatting. So you go for the text formatting. Good. Because paragraph means what? We have the data, right? Normal data, you can take the paragraph. In the paragraph, I'll apply these all the text formatting tags. Right? Yeah. Guys, you know that how to write the code, guys? Go for the edit plus. I hope yesterday class we install edit plus editor. In edit plus editor, go to the file menu, click on the new. We require the normal text HTML, C, CPP, parallel Java is there. Which language you want, guys? Here definitely HTML. Go for the HTML. Guys, first one is what? Doc type is there. This is representing the version. That is okay. Leave it. Guys, next one is what? Root tag. What the root tag? Tell me. First of all, you write the HTML, right? Exactly. Guys, under the HTML, first you write the header tag. Header tag is giving the metadata information. Guys, metadata information means here we can write the bootstrap links and JavaScript links, CSS references, right? Like where is my CSS is present, which CSS is a file, and where is my bootstrap files are present, where is my JavaScript files are present. All the metadata information you are giving here. But as of now I don't have the bootstrap and JavaScript files and all. That's what just I'm writing the message like title. Is the title is displayed in the web page or no? Just this is giving the metadata information, right? Title means what? This is like so you can write the paragraph and what you can say is here text formatting, right? Paragraph and text formatting. Then you can close the tag is what? A title tag, right? Exactly. Because next one you can take the body tag. Body opening is there. Next one is what? Body closing is there, right? Good. This is the body tag. See, whatever the data you written inside the body tag, this data is visible, right? This data is what? Visible. That's why let me take the paragraph tag. P tag. P opening is there and P is what? Closing, right? This is the paragraph. Okay, so you can write the paragraph. Hi students. We can write the message. Tell me what the message. Hi students. Hi students. Welcome to what? Ratan sir classes. Welcome to Ratan sir classes. Sir will teach. Tell me guys. Sir will teach full stack. So Java development. Okay. So full stack what? Java development. Full stack Java development, right? This is one paragraph I'm taking. Yes, one more paragraph let me take. Paragraph opening and paragraph closing, right? One more paragraph. See guys, one more paragraph I'm taking from so yesterday class. Okay, this is the HTML stands for hypertext markup language. So markup language means that language consists of set of tags instead of coding. HTML was created by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991, right? That is one message I written. Next one is the HTML is used to create your own websites. If you want to start your career as a professional web designer, so yesterday we discussed this point, right, in the first video. Yeah, if you want to start the career as a professional web designer, HTML CSS designing is a must skill, right? Yeah, and one more point I'll write. So this one here, HTML document is contains a plain text with .html extension. HTML code is executed by the web browsers, right? Guys, I written the paragraph like this. You got the point, right? Yeah, this is the paragraph, guys. I written how many paragraphs? Tell me total here. 2 paragraphs. Okay, this is a paragraph tagger. Guys, can you please save this code? Control S in local disk D. I'm saving this file is like data.html file. Guys, you can see this file name. What the file name here? Data.html file, right? Exactly. Guys, open this local disk D. Local disk D. You require the data.html file. Okay, this is my data.html file. Right click here. Open with. I'm opening like Google Chrome here, right? Click on the Google Chrome. Okay, this is the data. Yes, can you see this data, right? Hi students. Okay, welcome to Ratan sir classes. Sir will teach you full stack Java development. HTML stands for hypertext markup language. Markup language means consists of tag. This is a message, right? Yeah, these are 2 paragraphs, guys. These are what? 2 paragraphs. Guys, in these 2 paragraphs, let me apply the text formattings. Guys, let me apply what? Text formattings, right? Yeah. Guys, what are text formatting? See, first let me apply the bold, italic and strong. These 3 values I will apply. Bold, italic and strong. You know bold, right? Hi students, welcome to Ratan sir classes. Students, I want to write the bold data. Just you can make this is a, okay, this is our text, right? This is the text we need to format. Text formatting. Yes, you got the point, right? This is a B, opening and closing. Next one, italic. I want Ratan sir in the italic format. Italic means what? Something like, you know, the data will be style, right? Yeah, bold, italic. Third one is a strong. Let me go for, see, this is a paragraph. Paragraph contains a text. On the text, you are applying the formattings. When you design the website, immediately how to strike this all the points, right? This is a bold. This is italic. Okay, this is, let me write the full stack development is a strong format. Strong, opening, full stack Java development. Let me take what? Strong format, right? Exactly. Okay, this is when you can take the strong. Because let me save it. Let me save. Go for the browser. Can you please click on the refresh? See guys, this is called, tell me guys, bold. This is called italic. Ratan sir is coming like an italic format, right? Yeah, full stack Java development is the strong, right? Yes, bold means I think it's showing bit less. Strong means it is showing like, you know, highlight, right? Like thick color, right? Yes, yes or no? This is called bold. This is called italic. This is called what? Strong, right? Exactly. Guys, go for the second paragraph. Let me apply the some more concepts. Bold, italic, strong we applied. Next one is what? EM, emphasize the text. And next one is mark. Next one is a small. EM, mark, small. I want to apply these 3. To apply these 3, first one is EM, emphasize the text. HTML stands for, this one you can write the EM, hypertext markup language. So hypertext markup language, right? EM closed. Because hypertext markup language EM. Next one is what, guys? Mark, small. Guys, mark I'm writing like, you know, Tim Berners-Lee. I want to make it as a mark. That's what you can take the mark. Mark opening, and here you can write the mark closing, right? Mark closing. After that you can write the small. Guys, in the year I taken the small. Here I'm taking what? Small, right? Here I'm making like, you know, small data, small, right? Like this. Yes, clear? Let me execute these 3 tags now. So what is the emphasize text? What is a mark? What is a small? Okay, just you can save this code, Control S. After saving, go to the browser. Just you can refresh once. So guys, this is called emphasize text, hypertext markup language. I think this is mark. Tim Berners-Lee is coming like, you know, what color, guys? Come highlighted color, right? 1991 is a small, like reduced, right? Which is showing like, you know, small data. Because you got the point of this is called emphasize the text. This is called, you know, what is this here? This is called mark. This is called small, right? Exactly. Because I think you got the clarity, right? In the paragraph, we are applying like, you know, text formattings: bold, italic, strong, emphasized text, mark, small, like this. Because next one I can apply the delete, insert, is delete and insert. Delete, del and ins, delete and insert. Because delete and insert, if you want a professional web designer, let me go for the delete here. Professional web designer, you can write a delete now. Okay, delete. Next one is what here? After delete, the insert. Guys, you write the insert, design must skill, right? Guys, skill, let me write the insert, ins. Let me close the ins, right? Exactly. Guys, let me save this. Let me check the code once. Okay, just you can go here and refresh the browser. Okay, see, professional web designer delete. Delete means what happened, guys? What you can say, guys? What happened here? Strike, right? And strike the data. Deleted, guys. Professional web designer. Okay, this is like, you know, skill, right? We are the professional web designer, but you are making this is the strike. Fine, good. Guys, this is a skill. Skill is underlined. Insert means what, guys? Underline. Sorry, clear now? Yeah. Next one is a super is there. Subscript and superscript, guys. Subscript to superscript to get the values. Just first let me take the 10, 20, 30, 40. Because 10 is the value. For the 10 value, 20 I am taking the subscript. Otherwise superscript first. Superscript. Superscript means what happened, tell me here. Then 10, this will come like 10 to the power of 20. Superscript, right? Super means up. 10 to the power of what you will get, guys? 10 to the power of 20. 10 to the power of what? 20. 30. For the 30 you can make this is subscript, right? Subscript opening and what? Subscript closing, right? That's it, guys. This is like superscript means upper value will get. 30 subscript is what? 40. Yes, 10 superscript is 20. 30 subscript is what? 40, right? Just you can save this code. Come to the browser. Just you can run this code. Yeah. Guys, you got the point, right? See, guys, 10 to the power of 20. This is like superscript. 30, what you can say? Subscript, right? Yeah, this is the 40, right? Exactly. Guys, I think you got the clarity, right? This example we have how many paragraphs? 2 paragraphs. On the paragraphs you are applying what? Text formatting. This is like, you know, bold. This is like italic. This is like strong. Yes or no? This is a bold. Guys, please repeat all of you. This is what? Bold. This is italic. This is what? Feel like you're in the class. Feel like you're in the class. You try to respond, right? This is stronger. I think this is emphasized text. This is emphasized text. Whatever Tim Berners-Lee, this is what text, guys? Mark, I think, right? Mark. We are marking the data. 1991 is a small. And this is, you know, delete. I think delete. This is like, you know, delete and insert. This is insert. Yes or no? This is insert. This is called superscript. This is called subscript. Guys, this is markup language, no? Markup language consists of a set of tags rather than coding, right? Guys, are you clear now? Yeah, this is called what the concept, guys? Paragraph. Sir, where is my title? Yeah, I think you forgot. This is a title, guys. Paragraph and text formatting. Can you see the title, right? Is the text title is visible in the page or just this is a information? No? Title is not visible in the page, right? It is information, metadata information. Like file name, no? That's the point, guys. Yes, any questions? Guys, if you have any questions, please you can ping in chat box, like not chat box, comment. All of you, please like the video, comment the videos, guys, and please share the videos to your friends. So in Amirpet, they are teaching the, you know, HTML theory. What the use of theory here? You are the professional web designers. You should focus on the practicals, right? Yeah. Yes, please like the video, comment the video, subscribe to our channel to get the more videos. Thank you, guys.